Hey, hello, this is Marco. I'm back here to present you some features of the sales client. And today I will show you how easy it is to create your own reports. So let's start the sales client and skip the intro information. And I change to the reports and to the voucher history. And you see here I have three different vouchers, two invoice vouchers and a purchase invoice voucher. So sales client comes with two reports, and you can select the report here. This is one, the voucher history compact, and the other one is the voucher history complete. That means the compact shows you only the header information of vouchers, and the complete shows also the position. But I will show you how you can create your own reports. For that we have to change to the options and go to the constraints, and here you find the report templates. And here also you find the two vouchers or two reports we delivered with sales client, and with the plus symbol you can create another one. I call this test. I have here my keyboard on my iPad, so you don't see the virtual keyboard. Okay, with the more button I come to the edit page, and for the reports I have to define the area. So I need here the voucher history full, save this, and also I have to select the paper size, on which one paper I want to print it later. And now we come to the template, and it's the same like you create your own voucher template. And I can import here some templates from my web server, or I can create another one. And I need the header, positions, and footer part. So now I can insert right here my script, and for that we have a handbook. You can download it from www.iphoneerp.com, and I will create here some information. Was it wrong? So let's start with to set up the font maybe. Yeah. So we have a script here, font normal, and give the size, and after that we add maybe the date and the current date and the current time to see how the report was created. So for that I add here in text, and the text is 0 points from left, and the text is also left-sided text, and write date here. And after this text I want to have a data field, and in this data field called current date, and we have another one, and this is also from the type date, also left from current date in this field called current time. So we need another one to show from which company is this report, and I have also here a data field, but I will place it 555 points from the left side, and the alignment should be right, and the field called company name. So that's enough for now. I save this report, said OK, and go back to my report page. And now if I select the button, the report button, you have also here the new defined report test, and let us show what's now happened. I have on the left side the date and also the time, on the right side the company. So from this page here we can directly edit the report and go to the template and go to the position area and write some position information here, like the um, the order ID, maybe the order voucher type, and the CAS company. So let's select also the script for in data field, the position, and the field order ID. And next I want the voucher type. There's also a data field, and I'll place this field 70 points left from the side of this voucher, and the field is order voucher type, and then I will place a data field 150 points from left, and that was the customer company. And the next field I need here is the item title. It's also a data field. And the next one is the quantity. And if I save this and set OK, you see that they refresh automatically, and you get here the information or the data fields I set up in the report. So it's look a little bit different. Maybe it's good to have header information here. And I go back to the report in the header and changed to add another line, and maybe add or change the font now to bold and 15, and then write a text. Makes it easy, and the text, will place it in the center. So I set center, and I know the size of the paper is 555, and the half of that is 277. So I write here my text voucher history, and I need also maybe a line here. So I'll write a line from 0 to 555, and the thickness is 1. And then maybe I need another font size, normal or bold. I need bold in 12. And right here my headers. So headers script was beginning with an T, and then I write the 0, and also if I will place it left, center or right. And here I need the voucher number, and the next field, text field in the header, should be the voucher type, and so on and so on. And let us show changed, and go to the position part and change the type of font. So let us save this one and let us take a look. Yes, looks better now. Yeah, and you can go on and go on, and we have a book, write a book for that. It's a script framework, and you have a lot of options here to get data fields, to write text, to work with conditions, to add lines or shapes, and so on and so on. Write it. The page where you found it is www.iphoneerp.com.